Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to clear Instagram search history in Android. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you need to open your Instagram app. Click on the profile icon from the bottom. Click on top reset 3 line. Guys, you can see here setting option. Just click on settings. Guys, you can see here security option. Just click on this. Guys, in last you can see here search history option. Just click on this. Guys, whatever you have searched, you will find all this search history here. You can delete this search history individual, or you can see here clear all option. Just click on clear. Again click on clear all. Guys, you can see here all search history has been deleted. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete Instagram search history in Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.